Okay, this video is going to be pretty lengthy, and you're going to be playing along. You're going to have to do some things, and I'll tell you when to pause the video so that you can do them. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is that how to take a print screen. This can come in handy if you're having problems and you keep getting error messages or pop-ups that says something's wrong and you want to show me or somebody else. Then you can take a picture of your screen. It's real easy to do. All you want to do is hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and then click print screen. You can see the screen dimmed and it automatically saved it. And if you want to see the picture that I just took, you can open up your File Explorer, go to your Pictures folder. When you take a screenshot, it automatically makes a folder called Screenshots. And here you can open the screenshot. And there it is, a screenshot of my desktop and the app that we just took. So I'll close out the photos and I'll pause here. You pause the video and try it out yourself, see how it works. Okay, welcome back. I hope you got that print screen to work. Okay, now we're going to change several settings, and I think they're pretty important. I discovered these while looking for tips to give you all, and I was looking on the internet. So what you want to do is open your start menu and click on the settings button right here. Open up your settings. I'll pause and let you do that. Okay, welcome back. Let's go into the settings folder, and we want to open up personalization and then start. So settings, personalization, go down here to the bottom, click on start. It's going to show this screen. I'm going to pause and let you pause the video and open up this screen. Okay. Since you're back, you occasionally get things that pop up on your start menu here, like advertisements or try this program or whatever. And if you want to stop that from happening, then you need to click on, turn this off here. If it's on, turn it off. This will stop showing those suggestions for apps or whatever that pop up on your start screen here. You can do these other settings to your liking. I'll pause here, you pause the video and turn off or make whatever adjustments you want to make. Okay, second setting we want to change concerns privacy and your background apps. So go back here to settings, click on privacy, scroll down, click on background apps. I'll pause here and you pause the video and open up this window. Okay. Now that you got the window open, you want to scroll down through this list of apps and decide what apps that you want to allow to be running in the background while you're doing other things on your computer. You can see that I've turned off a few things here. I turned off my printer utility. I turned off the Get Office app, which you can uninstall, by the way, if you want to. I turned off Groove Music because I don't use it and I don't like it. I use something else. You can see what I've left on, what I've turned off. So pause the video, go through this list and decide for yourself what you want to have running in the background, and turn off the things that you don't need to be running in the background. Okay, now that you're back, we'll move on to the next one. Next one is still in privacy, and we're going to turn off a setting that lets apps use your advertising ID. So once again, we'll go to the settings, go to privacy, and all right, here on the main screen, if this is on, you might want to turn it off unless you don't mind other apps using your advertising ID. To me, it's just kind of a privacy deal, so I turned it off. These other settings, set them up for however you want. Go ahead and pause the video and take care of this list. And finally, there's a setting about your updates and how they're delivered to you and how you might unknowingly be sharing it with someone else. So we'll go into the settings, go into update and security. We'll click on advanced options. And you should have automatically install and enabled. You should get updates for other Microsoft apps. And if you want, you can view your update history. You can see in the last hour or two I received 5 updates here. 2 of them were main updates for Windows 10. Also got the malicious software removal tool. That comes out once a month. There was also an update for Adobe Flash Player. So that's how you check your update history. We want to click on choose how updates are delivered. And you want to read this carefully. When this is turned on, your PC may also send parts of downloaded Windows updates and apps to PCs on your local network or PCs on the internet, depending on what's selected below. Well, I don't want to be sharing my computer with everybody on the internet, so I have that turned off. I suggest you do that also. If you do have your own local network and have more than one computer running on the network, then you might want to check this box here. Otherwise, well, actually, this would have to be on to activate it. So if you're going to turn this off, then this isn't going to do anything for you. So I think that about wraps it up. This is the end of the video. I hope this helped you out. If you need to replay it again, pause it at the appropriate times and make those changes. I think they're pretty important. See you next time.